Hey guys, after 10 years my OEM headlight bulb finally gave up. Just one of them at this point. I guess it is time for upgrade. I got this cool looking Boslla Bullet series bulbs that I will be installing in this video. The link to the product will be posted down below in the description section. The package comes with very detailed instructions that is very easy to follow. These Boslla LED bulbs have very cool feature. It can be switched between different colors. White with 6500K, warm yellow with 4300Ks, and yellow with 3000K. And some model comes with warning flashing feature as well. It's pretty cool. The installation on Hammer H3 is pretty straightforward. To remove original bulb, just press the little pin on a plug and pull the plug out. And to remove old bulb, rotate it counterclockwise and pull it out of headlight assembly. Before installing Boslla bulb, connect 5-pin connector and lock it by rotating connection cover. Don't forget to remove protection glass. By the way, Boslla H13-HL is a perfect fit for Hammer H3. I'll put model number in description. To install new bulb, insert bulb into headlight assembly and rotate clockwise until it is locked. By the way, you can install a bit different way by disconnecting O-ring and then installing O-ring first and then installing bulb. Connect into factory plug and you're done with installation. It is that simple. That is all for this installation. Now you can go ahead and play with lights. And here is how to switch between different colors on H3. Have a good day and safe driving. Cheers!